guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to clean my messy fridge and get it organized. Since we've moved into our new house, I have yet to do this, so I'm really excited that it is getting done. So this is what it looks like before. Just a lot of expired food, bad vegetables, and everything just seems to be thrown in this fridge. Nothing really has a place or a system. So that is what my goal is for this fridge and for basically everything in my life. So if you want to see how I get that done, then just keep on watching. Okay, first things first is I'm going to be starting on the top shelf. I'm just going to take everything off of the shelf, put it on the kitchen island in back of me, then sorting through all that, keeping the good, trashing the bad, and then I will go in with my favorite Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Spray. I love this stuff. I use it on everything. Love it, and I think it smells really good, and it's more on the natural side. So another plus, but I just want to spray the shelf and then put everything back where it belongs. And here I'm just making sure that everything in this tray is good and not expired.
Sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's all the same. Call me out from my shadow self. It's time I can tell. Not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be.
Okay, moving on to shelf number 2, I am just going to be repeating what I did on shelf number 1, but on the second level. Here I'm going to be cleaning out a tray I found in the laundry room, and I'm going to utilize it in the fridge for Braylon snacks. Okay, now on to the third shelf and the most busiest shelf. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like we have one shelf in this fridge that is just crowded and we throw everything, and that happens to be the middle. Where is your guys' busiest shelf? I feel like we just dump everything and anything on this shelf. So it gets very crowded, very easy and fast. So now I'm just repeating what I did on shelf 1 and 2.
But nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. I still haven't heard anything from you. You say love is a fool, and so I am too. I really don't know if it's good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel
just wanted to show you guys how clean those wipes get my fridge. It really is smudge free. I know there was like a lot of smudges at the top, and now it is all clean. Those wipes are really like miracle workers for stainless steel appliances. Anyways, I am done, so I'm going to show you the finished product. Not finished product, but the finished project. So, you guys remember what it looked like before? Yes, it looks like we have no food because we have no food. I need to go pick up our groceries right now. They are ready, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I sprayed down all of, like, what are these called? Not the countertops, but like, sprayed all of these with the Mrs. Meyer's spray, and it just looks really cleaned and polished, even like in here. And so this little tray I've had in here since last year, but I never really went through everything that was in here. So now I just kind of like condensed all of like the same kind of things, the same kind of I'm like, my brain is not working today. The same kind of things are in this thing. So like sauces, hot sauces. We have some like soy sauce back there, hot sauce, some cooking stuff. I know there's like, I think red wine vinegar back there somewhere. Oh, right here. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, red wine vinegar. So everything that you can like put on stuff like hot sauces and stuff that you can cook with. Here in the middle right there is the garlic. So that is in this tray, and I want to get another tray to put on this side. But right here we just have like our cream cheeses and our sour creams, our yogurts, and Parmesan cheese, and then the butter is right there. And I have my eggs in a plastic carton thing. I got these at Home Goods. I know this one, this is the brand, but I found them all at my Home Goods, and they always like carry organization stuff like this, so you can always try to find them there, or like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. And then I had another tray I found in the laundry room, and I want to start putting Braylon's snacks in here. So like, I know she loves these Jell-O things, and then her apple sauces. I want to start keeping them in the fridge. So that is that. And then usually I will have my fruit in there. Well, I guess we can just put them in there because we cleared a lot of stuff out of here. This was just like filled with bad vegetables, so we didn't really have any other place to put the fruit, but now we do. There we go. And I kind of just want to use this space, all of this, and up here for like leftovers or just other things that we need in our fridge. So veggies, fruits, and then this is where I'm going to keep the cheese. We have the shredded cheese, we have the little box cream cheese in here, and then 2 cheese sticks. This fridge will look so much more packed once I go and get the groceries and put them in here. But in this one, I want to put like lunch meat, deli meat, our sausage, and bacon in here. That is where we usually put it. But I found this in there, or I found one sausage thing in here. I think it was this one. And then the cheeses were just scattered, so I really want to like keep it separate. So there's that. And then up here we have all of, you know, like your Miracle Whips, your mustard, your salad dressings. Ketchup is back there. And then here, it's just barbecue sauce. Here's an empty one. I'm sure I'll fill it. And then in this side, we have pickles, we have pepperoncinis, we have some salsa verde that is still good. Different kind of pickles, sliced pickles in the top one. And then in this one, I kind of wanted just to keep like the morning stuff in here. So I have my coffee creamer. Oh, it's so sticky. Right here, and then our syrups right there. And then I didn't really know what to do with this. I think Jacob moved this right here. And then these are just our drinks. We normally don't have sweet tea in our fridge, but we had friends over the other night and we decided to get some. And then here is our milk. And that will be the end of this little fridge cleanup video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Gave you some motivation. And yeah, give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you guys are new. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Tight